Alright, so now you know it works. Now to make your own game mode, actually pretty simple. You can close this, and so let's start off with the basic. In this video I'll be showing you, oops, don't want that. So let's start off here. Let's go to Pano. You should have that. Oh, it's just to run it as administrator. If you don't, you can still do this. It's not really difference. So yeah, so you do that. The difference is you get a whole toolbar here that can help you out with a whole bunch of stuff, and you shouldn't be able to click anything actually if you open it right. So you want to go over here and click new. It should show up like this, and then this should all show up here. So yeah, so you should get this. Now right here you want to put your game mode. We'll be making game mode actually. This will be our game mode, so we'll name our game mode my game mode. Yeah, and then you'll scroll down, and right here, as you can see, I'm gonna help you out. This is a player game initiation. Like when the game starts, it'll send this message, and then it'll ask you to choose a player. So right now, currently, we only have one player, so we'll actually save this here. My game mode. Spelled it wrong. You want to go Pono? Nope. You want to go to my server, game modes, and save it in there. And then you want to comply it. And if everything turns out well, it should just show this line right here. Minimize this. Go back to your my server folder, or wherever you put your server. You want to change the game mode. My game mode. Sorry if I'm going a little fast for you guys. Then you want to save that. Go out, run it, and it should look like this. And close that. You want to go back into your Samp, and then I'm going to pause the video and show you what it should look like when you run it. Alright, so now we're running it. It's loading up. It takes a little bit because I have stuff added, modifications on my Grand Theft Auto. So should say started, and then connecting, joined, and yep, that should work. So as you can tell, there's no players here, and that's a big problem. So what you want to do is you want to go find a spot where you want to spawn your people. For this tutorial, we're going to use up here. Just place it up here. So you want to jump up here, look over here, then go /save position on foot position saved, save camera. It'll say saved. Did the same thing right here. So then you want to leave game. So we left the game. Now what you want to do is you want to go to your documents, or wherever you have your Grand Theft Auto San Andreas user files. You want to go to Samp. Then you want to scroll down, find save positions. I have a lot because I saved a lot. Then you want to find the first, I think, 6 numbers, or kind of set up our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm pretty sure that's right. Then you want to go back into your Pano. You want to go here, player position. You want to erase this, put that. I have a space here, a space there, and that should work. But now you got to spawn, but you don't have people. So this is where the fun part comes in. Go to google.ca, then you go to Samp skin IDs. Here, now you get a whole bunch of skin IDs, right? A list. There's a list. So what you want to do is go into your Pano, and as you can see, as player class 0, blah 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 blah. Go here, paste. Oh wait, I'm gonna paste it. Okay, we should back it up here actually, and change the spawn position of the player when they spawn to there. Well, you want to copy it down, paste, add one, add another one. I don't know. I'm only going to use 4 for this tutorial or this video, so you could use more if you want. But yeah, so now you get to select your people. So as you can see, you can just scroll through and see a whole bunch of pictures. I'm going to add this guy, 107. So you just go over here and put 107 down, find somebody else. Add this person, 167. And this is for when your players log in, they get to select somebody to play as, like a character. And 170. So this is if like you want your players to be able to select their people. So now you have that set up. Now what do you do? Well, this right here seems to be their guns, their weapons. I'm pretty sure this is their weapons. I'm not 100% sure, but we're about to find out. So what you do is you go back to Google, type in Samp weapon IDs. I'm gonna go to the first one because it shows pictures. Alright, now you have a whole list of weapons. So if you have a cop, you want to give him a pistol when he spawns, whatever. So for these guys, give him 27. Yeah, we're gonna give him 28. So go here, go, nope, 28. And I'm pretty sure this is their ammunition, so we're gonna set it to 100. Or this is their, we're just gonna go here. Hopefully that's their ammunition and then how many they have. So for him, he's gonna have a machine gun. We're gonna give the other guy Tech 9. So that's 32. 32. 100 bullets. And the other person, why not just give him a country rifle, 33. Just 100. And why not have some fun and mess around with minigun, 38. You guys don't have to use these weapons. You guys get to select your own if you guys want. But yeah, I'm just choosing these ones because these ones are the ones I like. So yeah, should be set up perfectly fine. Now, if I remember correctly, what you need to do is save it, comply. It should work. If not, leave a comment. I'll help you out. Sorry this video is taking so long. It's a long process. So we'll have part 2 after I show you what the results of this is. You guys can check part 2 out in the description, or it should show up on the screen because I'll be doing that one right now. But I just don't want you guys to have to go through and take forever to upload this and stuff. So yeah. So let's go here. We want to close your server. Go back to where your server is. And then you want to go open it. Should work fine, perfectly, great, amazing. And you want to go to Samp. Then you want to go into it. So I'm going to pause this video and do like I normally do and show you what it looks like in the game. So now we're loading in the game. Sorry the mics sound different. Fraps is different quality. I don't know if it does sound different or not. I haven't really overplayed these videos while recording. But yeah, so just gonna wait for this to load. Should load up and work perfectly fine. Joining game. Dude, there we go. So now your player's right there. So you can swap through, choose your guys, choose him, and he has a minigun now, as you can see. And it should work. Yep, works perfectly fine. So now you have your respawn set up. Now what do you need to do? Mapping. You need cars, other stuff. And how you're going to do that is, well, it's simple. You might need a couple programs, but I'm going to show you that in the next tutorial. So, yeah. If you like this video, like it helps. If you want more detail into it, ask me, and I could basically have a one-on-one with you in Skype and explain it, whatever. But, yeah. So check it out. Hope you liked it. And rate, comment, subscribe if you want.